Hello everybody, welcome back here to Barrel's Garage here. I know it's a little funny looking because I'm doing this one real quick out here in the storage bin where we keep the 51 rat. Anyway, you heard me talk about Zoomies a little bit. This is the Zoomies on the 460 Berkeley big block Ford. And in that live we was talking a little bit how you quieted them down. Well, as you can see here where they exit, these are frost plugs for a small block Chevy. Just 2-inch frost plugs. You drill a 3/8 hole in the center and then 4 1/4-inch holes. Drive them in and then stick them in place with a little self-tapping set screw. What that does is it supplies enough back pressure to take the cackle out of them, and it quiets them right down, kind of like Baffles.